is sponsored by Charleston Orthodontic Specialists, and braces have come a long way since we were kids, and sometimes the perception of braces is very different from the reality. So we have the folks from Charleston Orthodontic Specialists, Sherry Thompson and Chelsea Scott, here to kind of debunk some myths. Ladies, such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for being here. So like we said at the beginning, braces have certainly changed from like what I know or the moms or grandmas watching right now. So most people think braces are just to make your smile better. Is that true?
A pretty smile is just one of the benefits that come from orthodontics, but generally there's a lot more that goes into it. There's health reasons. You want to have a good alignment with your teeth, good bite, because if you don't, typically later in life, you'll have issues like gum recession, tooth wear, jaw joint issues, and stuff like that.
Wow, so it could really become more complicated and cost you a lot more money down the line if you don't treat it.
Exactly.
And you can start treating at an early age. We were saying like 7 even.
Yeah, even as early as 7 years old. We like to get them in at 7.
Yeah.
If they don't need treatment right then, then that's great. But if they do, then we can go ahead and interfere.
Definitely worth the checkup. So as we continue here with perception versus reality, Sherry, a lot of people say braces, do they hurt the whole time you have them?
Absolutely not. That's the great thing. Most patients, when they get their braces on, actually leave our office saying what a pleasant experience it was, how fast it was, and it didn't hurt at all. So that's super exciting. Also, people do experience a little discomfort with braces as they're getting used to them. Once their adjustment, they've had their teeth adjusted, they can experience some kind of discomfort for a day or two afterwards. So majority of the time, patients don't have any pain.
So you walk out, say it's a pleasant experience, no pain, or if you do have pain, it's very brief, just a day or two. That's great. Another thing, I know people have said this, were the braces set off the metal detector at the airport. Is that true or not?
It is not true.
Okay.
I actually had a patient of mine ask me this the other day, and it's a valid question. I mean, if you don't know much about orthodontics, then you know, everybody hears that it'll set off metal detectors. It's like a magnet, and things will stick to them. I mean, you hear all of that, but the material that the braces are made out of will not set off a metal detector.
Okay, so good to know. Use you with that one. You're not going to set off any metal detectors. And then Sherry, a lot of people think that their teeth might just straighten out. Like those baby teeth come in a little crooked as you age, they'll just get better. Is that true?
No. Actually, the opposite is true. As we get older, our teeth tend to naturally shift forward and cause some crowding. So that's why it's extremely important if you had braces to wear your retainers. And the older you get, you'll start to see some crowding in the front teeth.
So for all of us, our teeth are still kind of shifting a little bit.
Yeah, that's why retainers are so important.
And for those of us who might not have worn their retainers like they were supposed to all that time, you guys treat adults too.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Most of our adult patients have already had braces before, and they're like, this is my second go around, and I know to wear those retainers.
You're like, now I respect my mom and dad who's going to wear those retainers. Tell me more about the practice. You guys have 2 locations, right? And you're opening more eventually.
Yeah, exactly. So we have Somerville and West Ashley, and our Mount Pleasant office opens next month, actually.
Wow, congrats. You guys have just been rolling right along. What's the best way to contact you, to get with Dr. Savastano, to see you 2 lovely ladies? Should we call or go online?
Either one. If you want to look up, our website is charlestonorthodonticspecialists.com. You can see more information about the practice, or you can call 843-4-BRACES and give us